Greetings, students. I've had a lot, hope everyone is doing well. I've had several students ask me to create a video on basic rules for rounding numbers. So let's get right into it, okay? So the rules for rounding are listed right here on the board. And the rules are, if the digit to the right of a given place value is less than 5, that digit and all digits to the right are replaced by zeros. If the digit immediately to the right of the decimal is greater than 5, then you round up. Okay, so you can note these rules and we'll go over a few right now. So I'm going to erase this and we will get started, okay? All right, so right now we're going to round to the nearest whole number, okay? We're rounding to the nearest whole number. So let's do this one for example. 8.525. So when we're rounding whole numbers, we always look at the number to the right of the decimal, and that would be 5, okay? So the number to the right is higher than 5, is 5 or higher, okay? When that's the case, we add 1, we round up, right? So we'll add 1 here, and all of these numbers, okay, will drop off. We add 1 here, it becomes 9. Simple as that. Let's do another one. Let's try this one. 3.341. Rounding to the nearest whole number, we look at the number to the right, immediate right of the decimal, and that is 3. The 3 is less than 5. So that means we round down. Okay, so all of these numbers come off, and the answer is 3. Right? One more. Let's try 4.62. Again, we look at the number to the immediate right, and it's 6. It's 5 or greater, right? It's greater than 5, so we round up. We add 1 here. All of these can't become zeros, and the answer is 5. Okay? Now let's try rounding to the nearest 10th. Right? Here's 10th. All right, so let's see, 0.12. So when you're rounding to the nearest 10th, you always look at the place. Here's the 10th place, right? But our focus is on the place that's next to it, which is the hundredths place. So we're focusing on the hundredths place. So anytime you're rounding to the nearest 10th, you start with the hundredths place. Okay, so here are the rules. If this number is 5 or greater, you round up. If it's less than 5, you round down. Okay, so it's less, this is less than 5, right? So this comes off, and the answer is 0.1. Okay, let's do another one. Let's try 0.667. Okay, when you're rounding to the nearest 10th, you're looking at the hundredths place. All right, this number is greater than 5, so we round up. We add 1 here, these come off, and it's 0.7 is the answer. One more, 1.46. Okay, we're looking at the hundredths place. Okay, here's our 10th, we're looking at the hundreds. It's greater than 5, so we round up. This comes off, and it's 1.5 is the answer. Okay, pretty simple, right? All right, so let's round now to the nearest hundredth. Let's round to the nearest hundredth. All right, let's try this one, 0.664. 4. So when you're rounding to the nearest hundred, you start at the place to the right of hundreds, right? This is tenths, hundreds place. So we start at the thousands place. We look at the thousands place. The number is less than 5. So all of this comes off, right? So the answer is 0.66. Okay, let's try another. 2.375. So to the nearest hundredth, we look at the thousands place. Okay, the number is 5 or greater. We add 1 here, this comes off, and the answer is 2.38. Okay, one more. 0.148. We're rounding to the nearest hundreds. So we look at the thousands place. It is greater than 5. We add 1 here. This comes off. So it's 0.15. Pretty easy. Okay. So now we are going to round to the nearest thousands. Let's try the nearest thousands. All right, 1.37, let's try the 58. Right, so we have tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, right? So we look here at the 10,000s place to round for thousands. So here's your thousands place. So this number is greater than 5, right? We add 1 here, this number comes off. So it's 1.376, right? That is the answer. Let's try one more. 0.0024. All right, we're looking at the thousands. We're rounding to the thousands, so we look at the 10,000s place right here. It's less than 5, so this comes off. Simple as that. And the answer is 0.002. Okay, one more. Let's try 4.5555. Okay, so we're looking at the 10,000s place because we're rounding to the nearest thousands. This number is 5 or greater. Okay, so we add 1 here. This comes off. So now it's 4.556. That is very easy. Okay, I hope this helps you. And that is it. Thank you for watching.